In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the power steering air control valve on your Toyota Tundra in the front of the engine bay. Remove the bolt for the AC line bracket using a 10mm socket. Remove the two 10mm nuts for the plastic engine cover. Remove the plastic engine cover. There's two 10mm bolts on the clamps for the plastic intake. Loosen those. Pull the intake back and just flop it over, and that'll give us access to our part. Remove the two clamps. Remove the clamps and the hoses. And using a 17mm wrench, we're going to undo the switch. Before removing this part, make sure you have a collection bucket under your vehicle. It will leak. Have the new valve ready to go right away. And swap them. Then we're going to tighten it down. Install the hoses onto the new switch. And move the clamps back on. Reinstall the intake. Snug down your clamps. Reinstall the plastic engine cover. Install the two nuts and snug them down. Install the bolt for the AC line bracket. Snug it down. Good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.